So we figured out, hey, let's think of something that's going to make, for example, even the simplest thing that's going to make our space mission easier and cheaper and more accessible. And we figured out that, like make a ground station network, make people join our platform, give us their ground station capacity, they get paid for that. But of course, with this comes the problem: how do we actually verify these people? How do we know that they're going to do what they claim they're going to do? And how do we have some kind of guarantee for what is going to occur? And this is how we basically devised our centralized ground station network platform. It's called Homeport. Basically, we spun it off into a company about 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago, and we've been on this particular journey since then. And our general motto is, general perception of things is that there's a lot of things that need to be fixed. We like fixing problems. We like figuring out what the problem's core is and working it out from there.